Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I'm here. Nowadays, schools and academies are closed. Corona is threatening us, and I am here just to challenge the coronavirus. I want to tell the corona that whatever the fear you are spreading, but you cannot stop us from studying mathematics. We will study mathematics even more rigorously, more forcefully. Yes, this is the competition. We take it positive. Now, let's fight with us. We are here. We will do math. Yes, with more love, with more passion. This is my clear-cut challenge, Mr. Coronavirus. Now, my dear students, I'm frequently available on my YouTube channel. Uh, for a while, in my last 3-4 months, I didn't appear on YouTube channel or social media frequently. I was busy in my assignments. Now I'm free, and I thought I'm more needed right now here. That's why I I I, I started once again. If you have any problem, you can send me questions on WhatsApp, Facebook page, and Messenger as well. I will try my best to respond. But many times, many questions, easy questions, are already available on social media, on YouTube channels, not by me especially, but by other my colleagues who are working day and night on YouTube channels. If you can't find the answer there, you can't understand, then you can contact me. Hopefully, I will respond. Okay. Secondly, my many students send me regularly some questions which they don't understand. Sometimes I made videos for them. Sometimes I do questions on paper for them. Then I thought, why not send these questions on YouTube channel? That's why I'm here, and maybe by this way more people can get the benefit. I love your future. I love your understanding with mathematics. That's why today my few students sent me question. I think they were doing IB mathematics in TNS. Okay. The question were very general questions, but these type of questions is frequently coming in O-level exams, IGCSE, AdMaths, and they are equally important in A-level mathematics, in SAT 1 and SAT 2, and hope this will be beneficial to all students, even for matriculation students. Okay, let's begin. What was the question, my dear student? Sent me. Okay. The question they sent: y is equal to 3x plus 2. They said, sir, what would be the image of this line under the reflection of x-axis? This is a simple question. I can explain it like this. Look, this is the line of reflection, x-axis. If some point is there, let's say this is x and y, and we call it a object, and its image is there, and we call it a prime. X remains same there, but y changes, right? And now for transformed point, this point is transformed to this point. x remain x and y dash is new point and it comes there. And you know, whatever the value of y there, it must be equal in number but with negative sign. If it's, let's say you have 2 there and 2 there, the point is 2 2, but here you will see that point would be 2 minus 2. So y prime would be minus y generally, right? If this is that, then your solution, you have overcome your problem. Look, your original equation was this: y is equal to 3x plus 2. First of all, I say first you replace all your xy by new transformed points, which are, you know, y prime 3x prime plus 2. This is the image of this figure. But now condition, it is reflected in x-axis. You know, whenever any point, any general point is reflected in x-axis, then it becomes, you know, x minus y, right? If originally you have xy, then this becomes x minus y. So, you know, x prime, x is equal to x and y prime is equal to minus y. So I write minus y and then 3x plus 2. So I shift this minus to the other side, and now you have this equation. This equation basically is the image of this line under the reflection of x-axis, This is the way to do these type of questions. Now I am going to change my question a little bit. So if I replace this statement by y-axis, same thing goes, but just one thing, you know, if there is already a one point xy, when you reflect this point in the y-axis, x becomes minus x, but y doesn't change. So for this case, my dear, your x prime and y prime transformed point, x dash is now equal to minus x and y prime is remain y. So similar way, when you are reflecting this equation into y-axis, your new equation becomes y dash 3x plus 2. And now I'll replace the values. Y prime is equal to y and 3x is replaced by this, and now plus 2. And further simplification gives us minus 3x minus plus 2. So this way we reflected the given line into y-axis. Okay, no worries. You are very sharp, I know. You love math. And how is that possible if you see the question and I am explaining and you can't understand instantly? Yes, I know it. थोड़ा सा क्रेडिट मैं खुद भी ले लिया करता हूँ ज़बरदस्ती, right? Never mind. Same way, I write, if you reflect your line, the line y is equal to x. You know, when you reflect any line, when you reflect any point in the line y is equal to x, like this way, this is your line of reflection, and if something is there, it goes there, and then it becomes yx. Then you reflect any object, any point, any coordinate in the line y is equal to x. The coordinates for image shuffles. X becomes y and y becomes x. So simple. Okay. So take this image again. Write y prime, and now y prime would be x, 3y plus 2. And now from there you can make y as a subject, and that would be your solution. So same thing is true for y minus x. First you will see that they becomes minus y, and these are x, y prime, and you will plug these points there and then their corresponding values, and then you will make the subject y is equal to whatever. That way you can transform any given equation, straight line equation, in the given line of reflection. Hope you understand. See you next, inshallah, tomorrow or after day after tomorrow, inshallah, hopefully. Thank you.